Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and today we are going to have a class for ninth grade. So today we're going to study with this grade, ninth grade. And remember this class. This class is basically it's a reading class. So don't forget to write the date. Today it's July 30th. 2020. And the topic for today is a reading class. Okay, don't forget that. So we are going to have reading class. And also, if you don't understand, what you need to do is go to my channel, Jacob Kims, in YouTube and watch the videos. And why not learn with the teacher Jacob? Okay, so let's start. Let's start a class. This is our Rajanis school, the countryside, the best way for learning English. Okay, and this is teacher Jacob. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's do it. So let's go to where is it? What's going on? Yeah, I'm here. Let's go to the reading. So we're going to study page 82, and this is the reading class. So remember, something that you need to do, basically, it's to understand that we're gonna do four exercises. Exercise number one, remember, if you want to understand reading comprehension, reading skill, what is mandatory is to have vocabulary, especially in this level. I mean, you are advanced student of ninth grade. It means you got a lot of vocabulary, and some of you have. That's what I noticed. That some of you you got a lot vocabulary, so it means that you can read. Okay, so that's why activity number one. It's I insist it's underline the words that you don't understand. So you're gonna make a circle. You do a circle. For example, I don't know what it means rescue. So I circle and viewer, circle, remain. I don't know what it means remain. So circle the words that you don't understand unless it's very necessary. I mean, it's very important to discover how many words I don't understand in the reading because uh, you can learn just looking the words that you don't understand. So my suggestion is it's you can write here like a list the words that you don't know, no words here, or you can write on your notebook in the second part of your notebook. I mean the half of your notebook. So you can write there and look at the dictionary and making the process of learning. I mean, how are you gonna do the process for memorizing the words that you don't understand? That's very good. I mean, it's not only circle the words that you don't understand. It's not only that. It's just look at the dictionary and then start the process of memorizing the new words for reading comprehension or for the language that you are learning too. Of course, later we're gonna have another class about that. So activity number two in the reading I need is that you are going to underline with the red color the verbs because if you notice, verbs are very important. So I need this you tell me how many verbs are in the reading. So for example, one is one, and do is another verb. This will disappear too use clear are destroying so you are going to search, so you're gonna leave can you're gonna underline the verbs. Activity one, circle the unknown words. Activity two, verbs. You need to underline the verbs in the reading comprehension. All right. Activity three, it's It's listen, it's read, and it's speak. Three mental process that you're gonna do, and then you're gonna improve. And this is very good because you're gonna do this later. So later you're gonna have to read this. I mean, you have to record your voice. You have to read again for me, and it's gonna read. I mean, it's reading, it's practicing. In other words, you wanna practice your English. What you need to do is just read louder, nothing else. I mean, there's nobody around you who can help you to pronounce. Well, what you need to do is just to listen, read, and speak. I mean, listen, read, and speak are three activities that you're gonna do. Okay, so let's do it. So let's do this exercise. Remember this, and let's go. All right. So this is orangutan rescue mission. All right. I'm gonna read very slow and then you listen and then you repeat after me. Okay? Repeat again. Orangutan rescue mission. Fewer than 50,000 orangutans remain in Borneo. That is down from 30,000 just 10 years ago. Unless we do something now, these wonderful creatures will soon disappear completely. Good. What is the danger? Illegal logging, illegal logging and fires used to clear the land for palm oil plantations are destroying the orangutan's habitat. When this happens, the orangutans migrate in search of food. This can lead them into danger. Some people kill the orangutans who eat their crops and they sell the young into the illegal pet trade. Please pick up your phone today. Donate as little as $1. Everything helps. We will post regular updates on our website so that you can monitor the process of the project. We will also provide access to our webcam so you can see the sponsored friends as they are rehabilitated. Remember, the orangutans will continue to be at risk until we do something about it. Orangutan Rescue Mission annual telephone raiser 1-845-322-11. As soon as you call, our operators will print into action. What will we do with your donation? Browse, browse, bronze donation. If you donate $100, we will take in and care for one John orangutan. First, we will buy a John orangutan being kept as a pet. After we take it to our rehabilitation center, we will send you a photo and you will give it a name. Before we release it back into the forest, we will teach eat to find food, and to communicate with other orangutans. This will prepare it for survival among other orangutans. Silver donation. A $500 donation will sponsor 6 young orangutans. When you call with your donation, we will reserve these places in our center. We will reserve their places in our center. Gold, gold donation. If you give $1,000, you will help change the lives of future orangutans. If we reach our fundraising goal, we will train and employ 5 local people in our center. When local people have other ways of earning an income, they will see that orangutans can be benefit the community. Platinum donation. If you if you donate more than $1,000, we will add your funds to the cost of construction of the wild launch. This will be attract tourists as a result. Local people will see that if the orangutans disappears, the community will survive. All right. So this is a reading. So what I need is now reading the comprehension. I mean, we're gonna read just normally, and then you can understand and answer the exercise 1, 2, and 3, and that's all. Nothing else. Let's do it. Orangutan rescue mission. Fewer than 15,000 orangutans remain in the Borneo. That is down from 30,000 just 10 years ago. Unless we do something now, this wonderful creature will soon disappear completely. What is the danger? Illegal logging at fire used to clean lands for palm oil plantations are destroying the orangutan habitat. When this happens, the orangutans migrate in search of food. This can lead them into danger. Some people kill the orangutans who eat their crops, and then they sell the young into the illegal pet trade. Please pick up your phone today, donate us a little dollar, $1. Everything helps. We will post regular updates on our website so that you can monitor the progress of the project. We will also provide access to our webcam so you can see your sponsor friends as they are rehabilitated. Remember, the orangutans will continue to be a risk until we do something about it. Orangutans Rescue Mission annual telephones Razor 1-800-453-2211. As soon as you call, our operators will spring into action. What will we do with your donation? Okay, gross donation. If you donate $100, we will take of John Orangutan. And first, we will buy a John Orangutan being kept as a pet. After we take it our rehabilitation center, we will send you a photo of you and you will give it a name. Before we release back into the forest, we will teach it to find food and communicate with other orangutans. You will prepare it for surviving among other orangutans. Okay, so remember that is just because of the time. So remember you need to complete the exercise 1, 2, and 3. And that's all for today. A reading class. I hope so you have enjoyed and you learning how to read. Teacher Jacob. Okay. Bye bye. See